am going to prove something to you so that you will know. You ought to go. Share this video. 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 Look back, Holy Ghost fire. Your family, your entire family, your entire umunna, every single thing. Let me leave your family. Let me leave your family because very soon moto ya crush you know. Or uno no bodo you okay no aya kuchi una party. And that party aya kuko una ho party ngano eva no sisi ka aya kugo blue we bunata ga ba bia dompo ga ba. Because you are a lost son. You are a disgrace to your generation. What are you doing here? Let me block you. Let me leave your innocent family. Like I always said, me making reference to your family is not their fault that Mahamule a useless son Dokayo. It is not their fault. How could it be their fault? The day Amoro a hospital, the mother Beana say we welcome our new baby. How else do they know that not somebody like you can bring it into this world? How else? So why will I even start talking to them because of you? Let me block you. Blocked. Let me block you. Yeah, Samuel Idika, blocked. Where are they? Monakesh, blocked. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? I need to take away somebody again. Okay. Love if Nanye Debo comment again. Okay. Share this video. Share this video. I want you to share this video. Now, as you can see, Oga fugo na mmiri ekpudowene, Oga fugo na nkata ekpudowene. Ife ọzọ Oga chọrọ ka o mee o, Oga plan o with ndị mmadụ feel o, since ha gbakọta n'alụ ndị Zion that they should come and make public statement denying Ogechi that Ogechi is not speaking for them, that Ogechi is not representing the interest of Zion ministry. However, na that one efelugo, go. However, na that one efelugo. The next thing her result to do is to come and peddle lie and turn that lie. Go where the guy say Ogechi so we so we make a plan against the Zion. This is really an evidence to show that immediately when I'm working. Now let me give you a brief history so that you will know. Then after that, I am going to play the voice note to involve in this thing so that you will actually understand what is happening. I know that even without saying anything, people already know the truth. Already no matter what you see? Violence queen, honestly, that guy is disgrace in Anambra. Honestly, I have to see you on the name. He is disgracing in Anambra. Now, some time back, na Facebook, when we can go and bring back another account. No. Also, when we that account to 100, I will block that 100 account on a committee with 100. You want to go? If you sure Jimmy pay account to 700, I will block the 700 account. Now me talk. It won't cost me anything. Share this video. Now I donate share go this video. I will wrap you also. And then Mother 7 share go this video. You people should share this video. Share this video. Share this video. I video this broadcast. Share this video. Mother 7 share go this broadcast. You want to go? How can 7 people? How can 67 people be watching and only 7 people share go the video? Anyway, as I was saying, some time back, na this social media, we knew about when this particular voice note to break it out. Now, when this voice note came out na Facebook, for the record purpose, this voice note put out from a WhatsApp group of content creators, MCA1, na market na manage their account. Go? All the content creators all MCA1 monetize their account. So they all came together and formed a WhatsApp group. So in that WhatsApp group, that was where that voice note originated. Now let me go to the part where that video where Jpac played last night. Cut and join. Oga cut and join. Oga cut and join. Andy, let me tell you, all the people now say Jpac don't provide evidence. Jpac don't provide evidence. How man only evidence Jpac provide? They know. These are the same people who are fighting Oge. These are the same people who feels that Zion ministry should denounce Ogechi. This is still their plot. They know that now that video will cut and join. Jpac Jewota voice note to Aho. Hey, what I go? Jpac Jewota that voice note a bonson ukuru. Jewota the reply you geshi nyeluye mbo send the geshi that video. Jewota reply you geshi nyeluye mbo send the geshi that video. Join no ye. I am going to interpret it better for you so that you will know. Don't be so daft. If you have chosen to remain daft, that is your decision. Because on a normal, somebody can still decide to be ofeke. You know what I go? How much is your kumana? For the sake of not like Hogeshi, for the sake of not like Zion, for the sake of no shaloke in-house or go between Zion and Ogeshi, that person may decide to be ofeke. That person may decide to be ewu. That person may decide to see Ezioku Ushiyaka. We can't stop you, honestly. If you want to present yourself as Onyala, as Onyi Beliba Mahife, nobody is going to force you to be wise. You want to go? So being wise is an option. Being an ofeke is still an option. You can choose to remain there. Let me go to this particular voice note and a walkway so that you know. Let me go to this particular voice note and a walkway. Now look at the video.
Person, he born a plan and they could be rape mother. They lay a manner of allegations. Please, if you're Zionite, please, I want you to use this video and share it and pressure.
I don't want to play that part where Kelafaya Ebonison said something because of Ifo Pugasaredia. I don't want to bring any problem to my page. Rather, let me go to reply Yogeshi.
Play live video. Like I said, your wife is dumb, you are dumb. Play live video. This was my response.
This was my response.
Program I show card so people are you can't just say give me a boss so just announce so I get play live program, I get play live video. Maybe a so person a born a plan and they could be a rape matter. He came announce people are back or they get the thing. Lose your cat a bully.
So, Jpac with that voice note. Wait to you Ogeshi. Ogeshi we oh yeah, we see Jpac and if I have voice note if I adjust potapuwe na ya akpoko ndị mmadụ gwa ndị mmadụ ha bịa na yeke card e wata go na yeke card then ndị mmadụ join zie the live broadcast e we gwabazie ndị mmadụ no nwelu onye ejidelu na planu e blackmail evangelist Ebuka Obi e we gwabazie ndị mmadụ ife onye ahụ na planu against evangelist Ebuka Obi. Can you tell me how this voice note resulted to Ogechi planning to blackmail Ebuka Obi? Ngwa debela ahụ ni imu ife. Ngwa debela ahụ ni imu ife. For response Jpac Ogechi nyelu. Can you tell me what is evidence there if not that you are so daft? You want to go? Okay, Clement Eze, let me take you away because all the
now you have had my own.
From the reply Ogechi nyelu, can you tell me what is so incriminating about what Ogechi said? Jpac with our video of Ebe with that voice note to Ebony son told you Ogechi we see okay. Nyane Kai we organize this program that na ya gwa ndị mmadụ ha bịa on this live broadcast na ya eke kaadị ọ bụrụ na ndị mmadụ bịazie ewegwazie ndị mmadụ na onwere onye ejidelu na plan blackmail Ebuka Obi kwuo na Ebuka Obi dakpuru mmadụ and then that lady dị ime ji iwepụ nwa ahụ wee nwụọ. Ịghọtago? This was Ogechi's response to the voice note that Ogechi, the Jpac sent to him. Can you tell me how does this result to Ogechi planning to do anything against Evangelist Ebuka Obi? Jpac illegal. And look, let me tell you, this voice note has once again shown you that Jpac is a gossiper. I cannot talk about Ogechi. Ogechi is a woman. If she decides to, no problem. But this has shown you once more. And look, let me tell you, that time this voice note leaked in her Facebook, Jpac denied being the one who released that voice note. Now, today, yesterday night, he has accepted. Yeah? Which plot? Which plot? Olisa Ebutes. I'm asking you, which plot? Which plot is that? What did I not do video concerning this same thing? Can you tell me the plot to do here? The plot that na put our voice note ebonyi son na plan ibe Evangelist Ebuka Obi ebubo Ogechi wee kwuo na ya eri create ndị mmadụ ka agba ndị mmadụ na-ekwu ife nda na plan. Okay, eduwe nshumo ị na-arụ ịkpọ nne na nna ga n'ọfịa ọ karịghị etu a. You got to go? Are you getting me? Which plot do there Olisa Ebutes? I'm asking you. That na Jpac woputalo voice note ebe ebonyi son na plan ebubo oyebo Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Ogechi wee nweta the knowledge mgbe Jpac send ya wee na-ekwuzi na ya organize a live broadcast ka agwa ndị mmadụ na-ekwu ife a na plan against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. So tell me the plan or not there. That I overheard where they are planning evil against you, and I decided to organize a program to brief people so that people can be of the know of what they are planning. Can you tell me how it resulted to Ogechi being part of that plan? Was Ogechi among the content creators that Kelafaya MCA1 na manage account? I am asking you. Eh? Was Ogechi in the WhatsApp group where that voice note came out from? This is more like a way this guy is way chokwa or bonitekwa ife nigoleni makeboni son. He knows what he's doing. He has never forgiven Ebonyi son for once. Yes, this could be a way with way chokwa keboni son or hamapotakwa again. It was because of this voice note that I joined Ijere broadcast. It was because of this voice note that Ijere joined my broadcast. Now, what was their reason for making this voice note? They said, number one, it was a discussion they had in a WhatsApp group. Now, I'm asking you, was Ogechi part of that WhatsApp group? The answer is no. Was Ogechi part of that WhatsApp group? The answer is no. If Ogechi is not or was not part of that WhatsApp group, can you tell me how can Ogechi be part of the conspiracy? The answer is no. And we all know that when this voice note came out, Ogechi was among the top people, including Jpac. Jpac was not making a video. He was the one who supplied. So could this be a confirmation that indeed Jpac and Ogechi was discussing something said more than you can ever think? Could this be stylishly Jpac trying to confirm to people that actually Nanyana Ogechi na conversation more deeper than you can imagine? If he can come out to claim to you that Nanyana Ogechi plan on how to plot against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. So what could prove wrong? Na Ogechi say na Jpac gwara ife do otu amaka akwa, na Jpac gwara ife do otu amaka bebioko, na Jpac gwara ife do otu amaka seaman. I am asking you, na Jpac gwara ife do otu amaka ifanyoba. What do you think could prove him wrong? That guy, before you know what is happening, is to go begoko, beganabwa. Before you know what is happening, is to go begoko, beganabwa. How can you be so ignorant to come yesterday ebia wolaka ma onwegi ipe you cut and join was Ogechi in that WhatsApp group? I'm asking you. Did MCA1 at any time manage Ogechi's account? Because back at that voice note is where put from. So I am asking you, did MCA1 at any time manage Ogechi's account? Because a lot of people on that platform, they spoke then trying to defend Kelafaya Ebonison. If you could remember, they even accused Jpac that no Jpac won't that voice note to Tori and the mother. That it was a voice note of discussion Hanwelu in that WhatsApp group. Now, the defense Ebonison Hanyelu, the defense Ebonison Hanyelu wona that na fan on that WhatsApp group. Onyo na ne Ife Oyeju trend that Jpac even said his own. Somebody should go to Ebonison's page, go back to that time, if I may, go and bring out a video Ebonison Umelu where he was responding to Jpac. You gotta go. I'm asking you. Ebonison said that no, you will put up on Jpac ikulu. Na Jpac ikukwaloku, no you ona no dia kuloku. You gotta go. No you ona no dia kuloku. Na nyanwa kulie na ha na-ekwu kere ife ha ya emegase ka ha wee trend ya wee butekwa ego na Facebook. That was when Ebonison said this. That was when Ebonison kele onye dey fa ka m block oyo ozugbo. Okay, eche na ma block go Favor Sunshine na. Okay, ka m block oyo ozugbo. What I go? Biko na click ni maka na love and like. Ịma na ife ọzọ ha mụtara a na-eme program. Ha na a report program mmadụ na-eme. Ịghọtago. Mana ihe ada ekwu eziokwu. Na ife ha mere owo na ha achọ ka ha bupụta this propaganda. Ha enye their colleagues na create content ka ha spread ya ka ọ gbasa. That was why Okongwu Digbia spread that news this morning. Some of them have spread that news, including Ebonilo's son Ofeke Abho. So I am pointing out this fact for you so that you know. Eboniso made a video then. Okay, Shafi, let me block you immediately. Who is your man? Go and look for your man. Atoro. Nke Jpac in a mabro, or nke Jpac in a mabro ranting. Drop in eto sokuru gusi we bata. I block you immediately. Who is your man? Mo your man. Emalebe your man no. Osi mezugo my man. Emalebe your man no. Unu shelo nwele any plot unu nwere ike iji we pota nwere ike scale unu through. There is no single plot unu ye pota. Nwere ike scale unu through. If I na-ekwu eziokwu adahato ụga ka ọwụ on this particular one on the show, I was part of it. When you go to my page, you will see the videos I made about this voice note. There was nowhere Ogechi's name was mentioned in that voice note. Ogechi was not part of that WhatsApp group. How can Ogechi be part of the people that conceived that plan? The only thing Melu then is that now, that was the time Jpac in a push komalo no nwere ko isi we use contact Zion or Ako. We get ya Ebonison arrested. That was what he was pushing then. So that was why he brought out that voice note to Ogechi at that particular time. Ebonison no all over now or Zion Hafanenu, Zion Nana, Zion Nenu, Zion Nana. So Jpac brought out that voice note to show the Zion what these people are planning against Evangelist Ebukobi behind the scene. Now, Numba who sent the Ogechi responded by telling him that they need a live broadcast. You gotta go to card when the mother now you get a card. Can the mother wear turn in numbers? Can we drop or ye way go where down until the mother? You gotta go where that until the mother. Virus Queen, I reprise Nantuanian block go now. Okay, I block Bodumonia. Can block or use bo. Arisa because no labor and a good admin. No labor though only her comment highlight that comment was book and block Onya. You gotta go how much I can kill with Yoku. Believe me, ha machakwu nke weziokwu. Remember, they have made a video where they are trying to push the Zion into denouncing Ogechi publicly. Remember, they have pushed a video where they were recruiting people who will come out openly to denounce Ogechi. Can the Zion denounce Ogechi? That was what MC Hallelujah came in to come and do in that particular broadcast. Now, when they see that they could not manage to do that, they have started devising a means of to jam Ogechi and the Zion together like this. Can jam Ogechi like this? But we can never allow it to happen. We can never allow it to happen. The video was very controversial that I made a video and the Ijele called my name. I joined Ijele's broadcast. Ijele joined my broadcast because of this same issue. Ogechi's name was not mentioned anywhere, and there is no way they could have mentioned Ogechi's name because Ogechi was not part of the content creators WhatsApp group where MC A1 on a manager account. I am asking you. They called the name of two people. Say no, how when they release that voice note. They called the name of two people. Say no, but oh Jpac when you have bully. I say now these two people can now suspect and know how to use the voice note. But they later concluded that no Jpac when you release that voice note. Jpac today you have confirmed to your colleagues that Nifo Gechi Neku about you. Where's your? Because if you can remove a voice note from a WhatsApp group, go na your friends say no, told you Gechi. Does that mean that Nifo Gechi Neku about you all this while? Nah, say, I am asking you. No, ibana majono. All no welike isina na WhatsApp group. Okay, can block about Valentine Shime. I no get followers, but one followers with pride. Let's go no get followers with pride. What I go do easy. Or do easy. I am proving it to you now. What I given the so onye na-asị unu nwere evidence ewepụtara. Which evidence? Show me the evidence that Jpac Melkot and John, even the response Ogechi kwuru, it doesn't have anything to do with it, that video originated. I want you people to ask them this simple question. Where did that voice note come out from? Go and make a reference. I want those people who do good at digging out pictures. Go back and dig out where that particular video. He made a very great mistake last night. He was CNN. That young man will destroy himself. He just want to help and put a final nail. Imagine the voice note you denied that it wasn't you who released. You came last night to come and confirm to people that need to distribute information, confidential information between you and them. Imagine. You are proving to people that you are that person. I'm asking you. Keronye Jura Jujua. Also, one name is Ogechi working for Zion Ministry. Don't be angry. Shibo Onye Dekachuku, are you working for Jpac? Don't be angry. Okay, Zaronya, then I'll answer you. Are you working for Jpac? Don't be angry. Because if you can be here to ask me questions that doesn't relate to what I am saying simply because you want to defend Jpac, I am asking you, are you working for Jpac? If you are not working for Jpac, then it means that Ogechi is not working for Zion Ministry. You got to go? Yes, Ogechi is a lover of Zion. She can defend Zion anywhere, just like me. I love Zion Ministry. I love my Christian faith. I defend them anywhere I am. That does not mean that I'm working for anybody. So if that answers your question very well, then you can sit down and watch this beautiful broadcast. He came out last night to confirm everything. Ogechi kwulu na igwari. Okay. Emeka Madoka. If I'm making voice note every time, if I'm making video every time, and you are not understanding what I am saying, you have no reason to be here because I don't want to keep confusing you. You see? You got to go. Okay, who is this young man? Who is this young man? You are honestly proving that every single thing Ogechi is saying about you, that she is right. Okay. Keluye Austin Asogwa, thank you very much. I want you people to be showing yourselves here. Show yourselves here. I'm not pure pia na pure so no ka. What I go. Arisa Travels because nolu here. Yeah. Only have any comment, go and highlight na that comment. Let me block that person off immediately. Ndala. Have you about too much of everything? Had you na page ezugo. Had you na mba na afọ nọrọ nke nsịrị nwoke amụ mmiri na ọnya kpatara njiwe na block ya na ịghọtago. Yeah? Are you getting me? So it's not as if they don't know the truth, but they just want to be. But I have not said that n'ife Ogechi na-ekwu na Jpac ekwurie or na Jpac ekwurie. But yesterday he has started confirming to people that now not capable of doing that thing Ogechi kwuru, because if he can actually release a confidential information na a confidential WhatsApp group or release here to the public, what makes you to think that now he cannot discuss about Awa, that he cannot discuss about Bebioko, that he cannot discuss about all these people? I am asking you. Look, yesterday he came out on a live broadcast yesterday. Yesterday and started talking about a group call. Ngoma now watch here yesterday. A group call. How now? Why is he telling you? Why is he telling you that now somebody now call enter Isaiah with ego? Has this not shown you the caliber of a man you are defending, or is it that you actually know the truth, but you just want to be defending him because you don't like Ogechi, or because you think it is between Zion Ministry and Jpac, or between Akozion and Jpac? I am asking you a question. And it is a humble question. Now, evidence. Which evidence? Which evidence I'm asking you? Which evidence go say? Show evidence. Cut and join. Fake cut and join. He wasn't even smart after all. Listen to that voice note. You will hear exactly what Ogechi said. Even the reply of Ogechi in that voice note, Adrodo incriminating. Even the reply Ogechi could pay attention. It is to the credit of Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Because if Ogechi could na that voice note, ha meluka ha onwere ha meluka ha wopo, but he wopo ni he ha edit that voice note, but ha draw smart. Ogechi gwara ya na ife abụrụ ife ịma na omerie ka ọ dụka ya sị na ewetara na emecha that voice note. Ogechi na-achọzi ka organize ya a program ebe a ya anọzi wee release that information Ebonyi son wetara ka release ye to the people ka ndị mmadụ mara na evangelist Ebuka Obi mere ife. That was how he made it look like. That was how he made it look like. Why not the voice note itself is saying another thing? Even the voice note said, okay, na ife mere owu na Jpac na ife habụrụ etu a ka anyị esi wee mee na ka anyị esi wee mee ihe wo na ya agwa ndị mmadụ na ya eke kaadị na this particular program, na ọ bụrụ na ndị mmadụ gbakọnyezie na the program, anyị egwazie ha na o nwere onye na-achọ ile accusation or blackmail evangelist Ebuka Obi na Ebuka Obi dakpuru mmadụ. Ịghọtago? Na o nwere onye na-achọ ile accusation, na onye na-achọ blackmail evangelist Ebuka Obi na ọ dakpuru mmadụ. Then atụzie the voice note, and that was how the voice note came out. Okay, great man Uzoma. Jpac is doing more than you guys, but you are in my platform. What are you doing in my platform? What I go? Kelonya defa. Kelonya defa. Show me the missy. Anybody. Uno ekpopona can miss here any commenting where goes where onwe comment infloketa. Onwe comment infloketa anchole block. Kelebe onya no. Okay, afugonya. Yes. Uche Nike. Piam. Dalo. You gotta go. You see, that was the conversation that brought about the release of that voice note. Let me tell you clearly, Kewata, that was the conversation that brought about the release of that voice note. That voice note, you know what Jpac and Amon ways go where he should go and plan again. He has failed. He's a bad planner, surrounded by people who cannot plan, who cannot execute very well. Otherwise, ask him, how did that voice note come to public domain? If not through that conversation he had with Ogechi. Now, I will leave it to you, who is a friend of Jpac, to know if truly he is trustworthy to take a voice note in confidence in a WhatsApp group or with his friends and colleagues and throw it out to Ogechi. Now, no one will a voice note to do like that. Leak Ogechi. Do bold they put on a Facebook yesterday. May claim on an Ogechi well such conversation. And you people, no dear, my Korea can hope that evidence. He brought out actually 2 evidences. Yes, he brought out 2 evidences. One is to confirm that he's a liar. The other one is to actually confirm that every single thing Ogechi is saying about him was Yoku Kowo. There's Yoku Kowo. Nko okuzi holu. Owo wulu kita no na ye mambe fa meruna n'ihu akwụkwọ. Na ye mambe the controversy breaking out. Oworo na ife emego before I manu mgbe omelu. Na Ogechi goyere ya kita. O na Ogechi pitakwa kita asego Jpac ichetala ụbọchị isendele voice note from WhatsApp group uno ebe Ebonyi son na-ekwu no ye eme so and so thing about evangelist Ebuka Obi. Jpac chetara ụbọchị gbara nya ọwụrụ na ọhụ na ya treat dana distant n'ihu akwụkwọ ihe ekweta. I want you to reason. Let's say that na actually that na this voice note hapụtara because we knew we handled this issue before Ijele's arrest. In fact, this was the last thing that lingered until Ijele started going out of line. Then that was when he got arrested. Also, bro, I beg, make them no drag you into this Wabo Sabiko. Make them no plan for you. I don't know who took your beautiful wife bike. I saw. Forget about those people. What are you saying? Jpac Ugaria, and the boy I know now. Mona Yabiari Kakoko. Oko anything on my Hokota or Norebo. Of course, you know when I go, he will show me where that money is. Carry it to her. Oh, war at a homologation on America now. I'm on Nigeria here, a born on Nigeria. So carry it to her. Oh, war, oh, my water, or go somewhere about the Velegonina, Hoji to one, or carry it to her. You gotta go. So, if I'm not going with you, what I am telling you is go see. The fact is there on Facebook for you to see. Oh, no, na yema. Okay, Lilian AKG, this guy, which is your own. Okay, you don't need to be here. Okay, Kelvin Shade, advice taken, but can you zoom out of this place? You gotta go. You see? Now you see. He came on Facebook now to come and twist everything. And this is the caliber of a man you are defending. This is the caliber of a man you are defending on Facebook. We knew that Ogechi was the one. In fact, Ogechi was the one who released that voice note. Was it not Ogechi who released that voice note? Chinenye Oga rest. Okay, can you go and rest now? Piam, you can go and rest now. We don't want to rest, so you can go and rest. We don't want you to be here. Go and rest. You gotta go. So let's help you to go and rest. Who even released that voice note? Let me ask you people. If Ogechi was part of that conspiracy, I am asking you now, a bit wise. Who released that voice note for people to see? So, it blind. Eman ebe mmadụ na-adụ blind n'anya. Edo blind na ntị. Ka edo deaf n'anya. Ka edo dumb n'ụbụrụ. Iji wee ghara ịma that was the conversation that gave birth to the release of that voice note. I am asking you. Ana m ajụ gị ajụjụ. Okay, Ebenezer Ikechukwu I don't want to rest. You can go and rest now. Drop one comment. The more you drop comment, the more I block you. Followers, I will keep blocking you people. You gotta go. Since so obolo, but you don't want to think with that obolo chineke obolo or flower. Is that not so? That was the conversation that gave birth to the release of that voice note. How can he be claiming that Ogechi is not part of that voice note? Was Ogechi ever monetized her account? Not to even talk of MCA1 monetizing. MCA1 Hanando to her. Hayasina Hamaho. You got to go. Hayasina Hamaho about this particular voice note. I'm asking you. Hayase na Hamaho. Okay, MCA1 Hanando to her. I want. Okay, you people should keep dropping your comments. I will keep blocking you guys. You got to go. Jpac came out yesterday night and they confirmed to people that every single thing, hey, how had the mighty fallen? Hey, how had the mighty fallen? Just imagine what I am saying. That now, if I made on Facebook, then Jpac wepụta kwata ntu ose ma ọpụta ta owepụta akwa ọpụta echi owepụta onya na ọpụta nkịta wepụta Ebonyi song wee sị Jpac into Ogechi si adekwe. Jpac, did you remember the day? Did you remember the day that you gave me a voice note from a WhatsApp group? You got to go? That the voice note from a WhatsApp group, and you told me that this was what Ebonyi son na plano against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. You gave me that voice note. Jpac, did you remember that day that you betrayed your colleagues gonna have on that WhatsApp group? What will people like you say? You will say, no, she's lying. She's calling the names of people. She's lying. She's calling the names of people. If so, could this really confirm that of a truth that Jpac was having intense discussion and conversations with Ogechi? You gotta go. Even if we are saying that but are you confirming to me that he actually said it? That the problem is not, but the problem is actually Jpac. If he can come on a live broadcast yesterday to come and confirm to you people that no wopotalu so kelonye diri emeye okwose no mmadu kwuru ya ụgwọ no mmadu hayari ya ka o wee gba Ebonyi son hasaga ka o wee gba onye obodo hasaga. So I am asking you, did anybody pay you also? Was it Ogechi who paid you to bring out that voice note? I am asking you, was it Ogechi who paid you to bring out that confidential voice note? Or answer me this question. Ogechi also not part of that WhatsApp group, because only love and like they are reporting this program. Love and like they are reporting this program. They are reporting this program. Love and like they are reporting this program. Share this video. Not only share about the video. Share this video. I want you to share this video. Not only share about the video. Ezeoku cannot be hidden. I told him, I want him. What did he say about Egbo Igwe? What did he say about Egbo Igwe? Look, all those so obsessed that when Bebioko's name was mentioned, that Egbo Igwe did not jump out. He got to go. Although so shocked that when Egbo Igwe's name, when Bebioko's name, okay, Ashiebu Michael Nnamdi, let us wait. Ashiebu Michael Nnamdi, I will not block you for a reason. I almost wanted to block you, but you know the reason why I did not block you. Do not do that again. You know the reason why I did not block you. Michael Nnamdi. You know the reason why I did not block you. But please, don't do it again. Don't do it again. Say the truth. The truth will set you free. Even if you don't like Ogechi. Say the truth in this particular matter. If you must not like Ogechi to say the truth, yes, wait until the day Ogechi had drag him. But for now, all you need to do is to say the truth as far as this matter is concerned. So does it mean that because no Ogechi had drag him, I should allow the lies Jpac peddle to be sustained? Is that what you are saying? That what I am saying now, no kwaseka, what I was actively involved in with this voice note, all of us were the people. It was because of this voice note that I entered Ijele's voice note. No, Nanduku, leave it. Okwa hano heba ya no wekwe. What I go? Okwa hano heba ya no wekwe. Eh? Are you telling me that na ifem me kumwani even do sure that I don't know what I'm talking about? It was because of this voice note that I joined the Ijele's voice broadcast. Ijele joined my own broadcast when we were discussing about this matter. So how can Jpac come out now and pretend or a new voice note? Or a new voice note, I'm asking you. Is this a new voice note? This wasn't a new voice note. Eh? It wasn't a new thing. It wasn't a new thing. This voice note trend then we all okay. We look at if somebody were an adult, Jpac. Do you know one thing I have even noticed? Some of all these people who don't see Jpac, they don't even pay attention. Let us assume that now that voice note Jpac playing. I have played carefully the substance of the voice note Jpac drop. What did Ogechi say in that voice note? Ogechi said, let us organize a live program where we will do giveaway of card to people. There we will tell them that na him without somebody na plan so and so evil against Ebuka Obi. Now that person na plan he blackmail Ebuka Obi of Idapu mad. So what is the evidence there? I am asking you, since can you tell me the evidence not there? What is the evidence not there? That Ogechi Bariaka organize a program where they will tell people na hang with alonye na plan so and so thing against Ebuka Obi. Can you tell me the evidence not there? Some of you are actually more daft than I can ever think. Some of you are actually so daft than I can ever imagine. You listen more with your emotion rather than paying attention. Jpac actually proved Ogechi worthy daughter of Ebuka Obi, no one Ebuka Obi with his father. Ogechi has proved again beyond every reasonable doubt. Ogechi has proved again before every reasonable doubt that her undying ifunanya for Zion ministry. That was what you came to Facebook last night to come and confirm in the name of Nena Wasaga. Who even advised you to do that? I'm asking you, who even advised you? Okay, let us listen to that voice note again. Hey, what I go? Let us know the evidence that Jpac water, because these people do so daft. I haven't seen people do as daft as that, honestly. Hey!
Jpac. The video go well. So next month. Yes. Now listen very attentively. But Jpac, next month, to replay it and send it to you. Now, this is how you guys made play live video. Maybe a on so person. You want a plan, maybe copy to replay it and send it to you. That said, your wife is dumb.
Right.
Replay it and send it to you. Now, this is how you guys made fool out of yourselves. Now, listen to me. If you want to lie a lie that can be able. So, you're bringing all this false information. The video go well. Yes. Now, listen very attentively. But Jpac think you can come up and the video go well. Debunk this tweet. So finally, I play live video. Yeah. This was my response.
This was my response. Let us listen to Ogeshi's response. This was my response. Let us listen to her response. Jpac, if I below, if I have a life. I run no program who get I card so and so time. Omowa, I will go bian run if any men.
You can't just say give me a bosses so just announce so I get play live program, I get play live video. Maybe on so person, a bona plan and they could be a
if we make a live program when the mother be a follow a beji delu onye na plano Igbo ebuko bi ebubo na no melogono onye na plan ime gono gekwante.
This was my response.
Gekwante ozo.
Jpac here we hang up alive. Oh hang ye. I run no program. I show I get card so we down the road in many. I book on the man people are back on their mom here. You can't just say give me a bosses so just announce so I get play live program, I get play live video. Maybe on so person, a bona plan and they could be a matter. We are just
Meji the so person ebe ọ na-plan na Ebuka Obi ga-adakpu mmadụ. Una wudi ike. Una wehu. Which kind of people are ndị anyị na ha na-emekọsi ife a? How does this prove that na Ogechi so na part of the plan? Yes. Na Jpac told a voice note that Ogechi wee no. Na ife ha bụrụ ife a ga-aba program ozugbo. Na if I ye na if I plan we announce what the program we gwa ndị mmadụ bịa na ya eke card ndị mmadụ bịazie we gwafa na ejidere so and so person ebe ọ na plan na evangelist Ebuka Obi dakporo mmadụ. Can you tell me how this shows that na Ogechi so na plan ndị chọrọ ibo Ebuka Obi allegation? Is it clear now, or do you want me to actually play it again for you to hear? Jenu gwa Jpac na mmunwa wezugosiri ya. He should go and plan again. Now let me tell you something. The reason Patalo meji ho njeme video ife awu because na chako the maka wo chako the mado the ife kero the mado chako the this guy owo on asim but whose voice is that? Who is this guy? Okay, let me block you. It's obvious for as how long as I play the video to you, you are still under the illusion, and you it seems like you know the truth, but you just don't want to understand. What I go? So how can Jpac ever come out to come and vindicate Ogechi to show that even behind the camera, even behind the scene, even behind in a WhatsApp group, that Ogechi is still fighting for the interest of Evangelist Ebuka Obi? How can you do that? I am asking you. How can you prove that? Yeah? You see? Have you seen? So, what does, if all confirm, does he not confirm to you the undying love of Ogechi where Evangelist Ebuka Obi is? That is the question I am asking. I have a question on Najo. That ne told mado voice note. Ebana plan ime Ebuka Obi for job. Onya we how the program can be organized. We want people in number. We break area to people. Can the matter we malo? And that was what gave birth to the release of that voice note to the public domain. Now, however, the question should be the person who released that voice note from that confidential WhatsApp group. What are you going to tell that person? The person who left his colleagues in a WhatsApp group and started making this plan now. Now the plan is good because it is a plan to expose evil. The plan is good because you are planning to expose evil. It's more like no follow. It's more like na mona go war. What I go? It's more like na mụ na gị wụọ ịghọtala mwefu ebe a na plan igbu mmadụ mwefu ebe iso na plan ka igbuo mmadụ ịghọtago mwe je team up with somebody ka iwe expose owu na ịchọrọ igbu mmadụ ịghọtago now ife mkpele ụdụ mma because I want to expose evil but to you ongo ya de ekwu na ezugo your friend betrayed you. Ịghọtago ka onye say I'm just looking at you since you look like my brother Barnabas. I love you and Ogeshi doings. Keep standing for the truth, big bro. Thank you very much. You understand what I'm saying? It's more like na muna go woy. Ịghọtago muna go woy. Muna Mr. A woy. Muna Mr. B woy. Then Mr. A nolebe and Mr. A na-eme plan. Ịghọtago nolebe Mr. A na-eme plan maka ime mmadụ ife ọjọọ. Mweje team up with Mr. B ka iwe expose if I am Mr. A na-eme. Now, oh Mr. A ka ọ dụlụ isi na mụnwa friend ya betrayed ya for doing the right thing because ọkwa the right thing ka mmelu but the only thing do there is that na mụ betray my friend. Are you getting what I am saying? So ọ bụrụ na ị ga-echasicha voice note apụta so ndị mmadụ na-eti Jpac showed evidence if iwu muturu ma mkwafu ka ewu na ọ bụrụ na ị ga-echa voice note a wee pụta voice note ebe Jpac lele onwe voice note ebe Jpac lele onwe kọbọ voice note ebe je nwa mama lele onwe kọbọ. I don't know why some people are not advising that guy. Are people truly advising that guy? Look at the rate in which his profile may diminish, but he doesn't seem to want to do anything about it. Look at the rate at which his profile may diminish, but he seems like he is too cool with it. He doesn't want to do anything about it. Look, you simply came and confirmed to people that Nife Ogechi na-ekwu na asịrị na-akụ ebe ndị mmadụ nọ. Ịghọtago n'eziokwu ka ọwụ. What's that what you did? How on earth can you tell me that if you can leak a secret conversation? Ịghọtago? Mike Obi, I must stop replying to him. I have blocked him. Ịghọtago? You got even now. Well, if you can leak a conversation between you and your friend and your colleagues from a WhatsApp group, you can take out if you know discourse and send it to people outside that WhatsApp group. What proves wrong that now? If any na ekwu n'ime here, if any na ekwu n'ikwu here, or what to get boy son very clear now. Is it very clear to Ebony's son, MCA1 and Dindotua, non-good conversation on a WhatsApp group, and you were so proud to admit that the Naguno Geshi will a conversation about that. So, are you not proving to people that actually Naguno Geshi conversations relating to issues like this? But it's Naguna Wanya no Katakoko. Kata ịkpọ nwaanyị go na nwaanyị akọwa akụkọ kedu ife go na nwaanyị na-aka akụkọ kedu ife go na nwaanyị kọgidere akụkọ iwe wulu secret conversation unu mmelu na WhatsApp group wee nye nwaanyị ana m ajụ ajụjụ kedu ife go na nwaanyị kọgidere akụkọ iwe wulu secret conversation go na mmadụ nwelu go na ụmụ dimkpa ibe nwelu wee jeririzi elu nwaanyị kedu ife go na nwaanyị mewelu ana m ajụ ajụjụ ịnọ na Facebook gwa ndị mmadụ kedu ife mụ na nwaanyị na-akọ I cannot discuss anything with anybody. If I'm with anybody, they discuss. What led to Erolaka CNE? I am asking you. What led to that? What led to you releasing the substance of your WhatsApp conversation with your friends? You released it to a woman, but it's a lie. Na gonna wine and we don't know na kakoko. In a long way, kobo, a morning a long way. Asịrị ngụna ụkpana niile ọkụ n'ahụ mmanụ ọsị n'ahụ amaka ya brother before igbu agba onwego agba the remaining dignity for onwego run away from these people that are advising you. They are not advising you very well. You just nailed yourself with that broadcast email yesterday night. iche niile emejọ mmadụ ịmarụ niile eme onwe gị iche niile eme mmadụ mana ịmarụ n'onwe gị ka ị na-eme. They are reporting this program but they are reporting this program. Share this video, click on like and love. We are going to play that voice note one more time. Evidence. They said that Jpac drop evidence. Drop evidence. Did you look? Let me give you an instance. During the time of Very Dark Man and Jeremiah, Very Dark Man said that now because of Ifo Pulu, now Jeremiah a pull on down. If you basalo spiritual materials and everything from his Facebook platform or from his website. Now a lot of people believed him. They started sharing him up. But the question is, how many of such people actually went back to visit Jeremiah's platform a while ago to know whether they pull go that particular thing or not? Nobody did so, but they came out and started saying, yes, of course, Jeremiah, that is just what they want to hear. For those people who are haters of Jeremiah, who are haters of Christianity, the only thing they want to hear is that Jeremiah out of fear pull down that spiritual material supposed to there. Now, I made a visit to that website only to find out that those things are actually still there. So let me take it down to what is happening now. You heard that Jpac played if it's no play evidence. Did you actually pay attention to that evidence? If you have paid attention neutrally without sentiment from that, you will see that Jpac has confirmed to people once more that Ogechi is loyal to Zion Ministry. That even what happened how many months ago, that Ogechi is loyal to Zion Ministry. That is what he showed. That is what he showed. Rather, it was Jpac who betrayed Zion. It was Jpac who betrayed Zion and not Ogechi. Ogechi is still on course. Ogechi is still on course. Let us play that evidence again. Let us play the evidence Jpac used against himself again. Let us play it again. Let us play that evidence again. On a few. Jpac drop evidence. Ogechi drop evidence. Which evidence? Nah, even like it omit.
This was my response.
This was my Jpac, if I believe I have a life, if I will fire program, I run no program. One day, my okay, now you card so and so time. Wa bianuru na ife na-eme akpọkọ ndị mmadụ people agbakọ bianuru.
You can't just say give me a boss so
you can't just send the alum efa or boss so you can't just send the alum efa or boss so
so I get play live program, I get play live video.
So my announce I get play live video.
Ebe so person.
Ebe so person.
Ebe na plan na ebuko bi ga-erepu.
Ebe na plan na ebugo obi ga-adakpu mmadụ.
We are not just he came announce people are back on their game the thing. Lose your card a bully.
For you?
All next month. Now you have my own.
For you? We if no Jpac a guy just send the alum fa ya ba Jpac ya just send the alumefa ka we confirm no Jpac send the Rio Geshi. You want to go? I am asking you. So this is actually a clear evidence calling for the arrest of Ebonyisom first. I have to be honest with you. This is a clear evidence calling for immediate arrest of Ebonyisom. Since they don't want to rest. You want to go? Since they don't want to rest. Ogechi said, Jpac, ya just send the alumefa, ya ba, if I will fire ye. E announce when the mother have so and so time. Na ye ke card. Habiazie e we break yelu ha, we gwafa no nwere onye ejidelu na plan na evangelist Ebuka Obi ya adakpu mmadụ nwere ife nọrọ. So ngonwa na-ekwu na nwere evidence e release. I want you to go through it. Mara onye implicate onwe and sipping my juice. Sometimes illiteracy is a disease. If I am a friend of Jpac, Ugosicham that voice note, Magwe one day, don't play it. He play low way. Eh? Ogechi in that your just to send the alumefa. So are you not saying that na Guno Gechi had the Kerife Guno Gechi na pa nakati Jekunwani, Gonokagona Wani Yada pa to the point in a year bido, Kowalwani so and so certain. You want to go? I'm asking you. Okay, check time aho. If a mountain on fire, only just call all my attention. Kelonye no na fuoko. One day when it comes to somebody do loyal to Zion ministry, somebody just do loyal selflessly to Zion ministry, call Ogechi. I don't want to call myself, but call Ogechi. Ogechi is selfless about whatever thing on a Merunde Zion. Ogechi is selfless. Ogechi is just doing what she is doing selflessly. So let nobody even go to jam her head within the noilong. We all know the truth. We all talked about the same matter. Then it was trending. And in their defense, they never called Ogechi. In their defense, it was them who said that Nefa Ovidosi from WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group ndị MC ewa no monetize their account of na ebe ahụ wee be ha na plan. Jpac was among the people not in that WhatsApp group. Na ha na plan ife ha yeme. Ebonyisom even threatened Jpac. No sure release ife nyanwa kwulu. It became an in-house fight. They were busy looking for someone who released that voice note. They said that it was Jpac who released that voice note. We were even defending Jpac that it wasn't him who released that voice note. That voice note would be from an intelligent source. No, be from it was a security briefing. Yes. Peter said, I am there. Yes. I am telling you. So they became fighting among themselves. They were calling Jpac. So no, Jpac released here. Now Jpac who a betrayer call. You gotta go. Now Jpac is saying no blonya released here, but Jpac came yesterday night to confirm to his friends that he was the one who sold them off because he played a voice note where Ogechi confirmed that Jpac he had just sent the aromefa or flyer. And Jpac play one of that video. We play voice note to Ogechi. Go away to Kayase. No Ogechi so no just make it that plan. Jpac get wo. Chineke, cannot the matter they fire. Sometimes when you are angry, calm down. Digest yourself before you talk. Sometimes all the way relax, yeah. Kutuo kurumiri ngo kurumiri like this. Relax, young baby. Upologe hugaria. Before you come out. You gotta go. Ezugo, he will disappear immediately after watching this live. He is here very once you have mentioned arrest. I Chineke nke a mmadụ ị na-ekwu na ozu ife were aka bịa confirm were ndị mmadụ that indeed that lozuru that thing. Kilu onye meru ka this guy wepụta that voice note n'abalị ụnyaahụ. How can you be indicting yourself? So now, before I go, let it not be as if I have not made any point here. If Jpac is saying that that they did not discuss it, and Jpac is saying, how can he go and start discussing with a woman? Yesterday night, you brought a discussion of that magnitude, and you played a voice note where the woman in question, and we know that this was what happened a few months ago. You played a voice note where the woman, in responding to what you sent to her, confirmed that Jpac, you cannot say, and you played that voice note to show that Ogechi was actually responding to that voice note. Now, in that voice note, Ogechi will confirm what Jpac, yeah, just send the alumefa. So what it shows is that Nongu won't send the Ogechi that voice note. Ogechi released it because it was Ogechi, if I'm not mistaken, I stand to be corrected, that released that voice note to the public. So what it shows is that you are confirming the suspicions of your friends that Nongu released that voice note to Ogechi, which you denied then. And obviously, what can I be? How can I be discussing with a woman? In our WhatsApp group, how can I be discussing with a woman to the point of sending her that voice note? It confirms that you can actually discuss with a woman to the point of even if you baby you could send the other. Illiteracy is indeed a disease. Wisdom is very far away. You should not say that. You should not say that. Implicate your mother to when you're going to wage your finger. So, one a live broadcast of over 4-5 hours, confirming to the Zion ministry the loyalty of Ogechi to the Zionites and the Zion ministry and the Kobe. You were also in that live broadcast confirming to people that you are a sellout, that you are a betrayer, that you can actually betray your friends. Do you know the number of people known at that WhatsApp group that you betrayed? Do you know the number of people known at that WhatsApp group that you betrayed? You actually betrayed a lot of people. You beat each kotarudim one on a WhatsApp group. Betray hanchani de lay kobo. To complete your video, where you go now, you release that voice note. To complete your video, where you go now, who actually made that payment? Who paid you to release that voice note? Ask what Igbo did to him that warrant such betrayal. Arisa Travels, somebody they know member. Kerife okuru maka Igbo. Somebody they know here. Kerife okuru maka Igbo. Somebody they know here. Owolo ni wonye love Jpac. Tell Jpac to run away. Tell Jpac to run away from this game on Abba. You don't like you. If you are supporting Jpac, you don't like him. You don't look. Let me tell you. If you are supporting that guy, I swear, you don't like that guy. You hate that guy. Look at how he came yesterday to make a mess of himself. You confirmed to Umudimpa on a WhatsApp group that it was you going to Belu discuss Charife. You all go on and you cannot beg a woman. You cannot apologize to a woman, but you can sell such confidential information to a woman. Do you know it is more like a meeting? substance of if any confidential things we discuss na that meeting ụmụnna jenye nwunye ma ọ jenye ọyị nwaanyị ọ pụtazie ọ na-afụ ndị niile nọ na meeting ahụ ka ndị ya azụ akwa ha ya ama. Do you know that in ifo meaning you can betray a group of people, even somebody who monetized your account, you also betrayed him. Ngwa nezienu ọkwa pụtara yesterday now na ife a na-ede that no okwu na egbu igwe na allow with married women. So onye ọgwakwala ife a ya na onye ahụ sewe okwu echi niile onye ahụ pụtakwa kwuo na Jpac gwara ya na oge echi na allow with married women. Ọkwa pụtakwa ọsị na asị. Yes, ọsị na asị. Is that not what it is? Eh? So onye pụtalụ yesterday because na ọ na-ewe iwe ọnụ ya na-agbakọta apụ ebe ọ na-ewe iwe o wee gwa ụnụ na egbe igwe n'ala ahụ wete ụmụ nwaanyị nọ n'alụ di. Do you think that na onwe bụ ndị ọgwara ife a? So ndị ahụ ọgwara ife a wụrụ na ọhụụ na oji ọnụ ekwu kịta lesi kịta na oge echi ka na-eche mgbe ọ ya eruo taịm ọ ya akpọ egbe igwe ọ bụrụ na ọkpọrọ kịta lesi na ọhụụ na Jpac kwuru yesterday. Let's say that na oge echi kwuru ife a nwanne nyaahụ na Jpac. Do you remember the day you told me na egbe igwe ahụ ụmụazị ka ọ na-achị ije dine n'ọsọ ọsọ ndị nụrụ di ndị ọ na-achị ije dine? Kedu ife unu ya ekwu? Ọkwa ya sịkwa unu, how can I discuss such thing with a woman? But he came on a social media to openly tell you that na egbe igwe na allow with a married woman. I am asking you. No mgbe ọ na-ana ka o nwere accident. So ọ bụrụ na o kwuru such thing, what makes you to think that na onye a na-agwa gị ife abụrụ a gossiper? Onye a na-agwa gị ife a na-akụ asịrị. Kedu ife egbe igwe melu ya? O nwere ife egbe igwe melu ya? The video egbe igwe melu about all these things do very neutral. Or do very neutral. Egbe igwe did not do anything back to him. What will warrant him saying all manner of things? Ochefuo no na debunko na ekwuru no na akụ asịrị. Ọnọrọkwa ebe akụ asịrị. He lost himself. He lost control of himself yesterday. He started. It was more like a karma. It was more like a karma that possessed him to show people who Jpac is. That before people copy that video, I will delete it. What you are doing is that you are confirming to people. If you can say that na Jpac na egbe igwe, I thought you can make sure no can the mmadụ woro si ife oge echi kwuru. Echi ni nekete say that you have no reason to apologize to egbe igwe. Obole echi ni nekete say you have no reason to apologize to egbe igwe. You even accepted every single thing oge echi kwuru ni kwuru maka papa ya na nyanwa. You accepted it last night. So, what is the problem? Why are you saying that you don't owe her an apology? If you accepted the fact, you even repeated it again yesterday night, that na Papa Ogechi Merenka, no Blogeshi ono, no Geshi Merefa, no Mer this one, no Mer this one, no Geshi Wonka, no Geshi Wonka, and you are still saying that you owe her no apology. You accepted everything yesterday. So, why have you been denying? Why are you just telling us that they just will say Papa Ogechi RIP? Why are you telling us that they just will say Papa Ogechi RIP? Where yesterday you repeated every single thing. Shimbe. Power bank, yeah. You want to go? I am asking you. You accepted yesterday about every single thing you grew about Ogechi, yet you are deceiving yourself into believing that you don't owe her any apology. After all, sorry. I watched a broadcast yesterday, even Kuruna, indeed, who the gods want to destroy, they first make mad. I concluded yesterday that indeed, who the gods want to destroy, they first make mad. Your actions are not ordinary. I sensed karma. You got to go. I sensed karma. I sensed karma. I sensed karma. How can you come out to come and claim, yeah, all the things Ogechi Nekwu about you. You came out yesterday to come and accept all of them. You accept all of them. Look at what you said about your fellow man. Igwe, Echinime, is in the mado. No one ife Egbalo Ogechi that you did not talk to Ogechi. Keri ife Igwe melugu ijuwe pido kowe Igwe ono. Keri ife Igwe melugu, because all these people refuse to come and identify and join you in the saga Ijeaka Odota. When you were calling an online billionaire, did anybody send you? When you were saying that no but actually crutches of Ochinenu, did anybody send you? When you were saying that now a place under payroll, did anybody send you? I am asking you. When you were saying that some people send the one content creator poison, plan or arrest of Ndozo, did anybody send you? You see? Did anybody send you? Nobody did that. The angels that was out yesterday is Savannah na live broadcast yesterday. Anyway, I don't intend to stay longer here. I think I have made my point very clear. All na evidence no evidence. I want you to call him and tell him the truth. Well, boss, you goofed last night, you boss. Email for the record purposes. Let me tell you what Ogechi said after Jpac sent him that video. Ogechi said, and I quote, Jpac, iya just send yalo mefa or fly ya. Achọrọ nka play kwa ọzọ for record purposes.
Now you have had my own. I said your wife is. Play live video. Give me a guy boss. Give me a guy boss. They could be a rape matter. Play live video. Only many. The video go well. I run a program. I should get the card. This was my response. Jpac,
Jpac, if I have a life, if I will fire ye.
I run a program. I should get the card.
I run a program. I see, okay, I get a card so time.
You can't just say give me a gap.
You can't just send the alum fire yaba. Or bossy so.
Play live program.
I play live program.
They be on so person. They born a plan and they could be a rape matter.
The so and so person a born a plan and they could be gadapum mother. That was how that voice note came out to the public domain. So, shock you now. If I confirm no, I'm working at Kwasare, and I'm working at Kwasare with even one against Mokepulu no Kato one Kanyana Kwasare. So, shock you now. Shock you now. Shock you now. Evidence. Where is that evidence? Ogosare. In fact, ordinarily self, Ogechi supposed to speak because Jpac who go on the poor no Ogechi. If you give Jpac you could get another go yesterday, Mother Bianabe. Only Sir Rabianabe, you only a poor no, because Costa Rabianabe, if you could allow one or Yabi. So, Jpac, poor Ogechi. Ogechi wasn't even
good morning, sir.
Yes, Igbo channels, I agree. Ogechi suppose was very equal again because na Jpac people on Ogechi.
Etetem n'abalị ka ndị ọma mere kemgbe ahụ ụlọ atụ dem everywhere the hot. Say that since last night everywhere the hot and say ogene na-eme nnezi anya ọbụna papa anyị nọ n'ezi n'ime abalị hit na-esu ya na nsị ogene na-eme ihe nke a.
Ọ na moto ahụ ọ nọ wee bawa program ahụ ka ọ ka
na moto ahụ ka ọ ka nọ ma mgbe nepa were ọ yasa nji post that in post si 2:25 a.m. who the gods wants to destroy. He will first of all make them ka ha isi na isi mgbaka bịa ha nwere nna nwayọ since that time ụlọ atịbe m si ogene dị ihe nke o wedala egwu igwe wee talikọba unprovoked ya na-agwa ihe na-agwa unprovoked onweghị egwu igwe just that na ọ sị na egwu igwe emeta ya from the akụkọ wee dali for complete 27 minutes for complete cause eji m that video for complete 27 minutes otu ile egwu igwe on front seat haba so mgbe m fụchara that thing nsị onwe ihe gị na-egwu igwe run before must it come out now? It must not come out now. Lotago. You bring again a big run on bash should remain there. So you bring it. I'm saying it as a form of just not cheating at this guy because now John for your campaign. You just show blackmail. After that, to face ever comedy. The same target ever comedy target call. Amazon when you happy. I just think I'm John is okay. Yesterday night. Amazon. Ntetezi mama and drop the phone because but it was so brutal. Our video
that voice note Omer, was there anywhere to implicate Nogeshi na show a plan for your against evangelism to implicate Nogeshi ko implicate Rome.
No, I'm going to
implicate Ogechi, okay, Igbo challenge to ka Hukugo. Okay, brother, you get that voice note to Oga Post, see no evidence na Ogechi na plan for your against your ministry. I don't know that video, that voice note drop. Can you that voice note to implicate?
I don't know for the young abalị no, ọ dị very late no ma Ogechi. Ngetukwa Ogechi, ngetukwa Jpac now watch. At least the worst mistake Jpac mere to raise that voice, or the worst mistake ever done. You know, him actually made here. I believe that the wife or on her phone, maybe the wife got through the voice note, see her calm down. So I gotta get going. He never go through the voice note well. I got through well. You know, I want to get to get my auntie. I got mana. I want to help with it. He put in the public. That is not an evidence. Here, Hoja came away in doubt. That means he has proved to whatever they have been saying about whatever that is going on, both whatever Ogechi is saying and Desire now. This thing now is a direct hit. He's making himself open now to the Zionites. Because me, I'm a member of Zion. So he just made it now. You just open yourself. Or he just remain. Both that about his son. Discussion now. Buake just narrate is yet ten or that. There was a way. Within that, there was a way.
Brother, only 1 point in Chetakiti in note now. Jpac na Ogechi the problem. Ogechi ga kpọ bebioko gba akwa kpọ Ifeanyi Uba ịghọtago kpọ Seaman ndị mmadụ na-agwa kedu ife iji wee je kpọwa ndị nọ ilo onwe ha. Agwaba Jpac okwu kedu ife ị na-akpọrọ ndị nọ ilo onwe ha. Jpac pụta yesterday night boom onye kpọrọ egwu igwe. So now Ogechi and the Jpac, are they not guilty now of the same crime of bringing people who are not part of their saga into this saga? I am asking you. By Jpac, it happens the Ogechi ya na-eme ife. Jekwazie kpọrọ egwu igwe nọ ilo onwe ye. We will over 27 minutes as I heard. We wash ya down egwu igwe down. Do you think that he has not committed the same crime Ogechi committed?
Jpac made mistake, our brother. Both Jpac is our brothers. But when here, or him sometimes I say a guy, and I'm a guy, no nothing obara. Do you understand? And when Hindi was na I'm a guy, na guy na de obara. And when here Ogechi put us na when prominent people borrow her phone outside the blue app, they talk two of them. Let the game gotta stop or final. Here gotta a shutdown, both the voice recording and everything. But what we hear that when they put a prominent Igbo people, our brothers say the prominent Igbo say that they want all this thing to stop. Or when Jpac we use that opportunity in your the thing because any go give room. Ogechi no way actually happen. Sorry happen. Actually happen. But Ogechi put that because of the prominent people that not Ogwe, people that maybe she cannot disrespect. You understand? Since okay, call over the opportunity. Come or done, but you as a person, because Anna said he search you would have known that whether this lady, this woman, always yoku, but get opportunity to just shut on her down. When those prominent Igbo brothers are put her to that, he got to give use of that opportunity. Press the thing everywhere. Everybody go back to his normal businesses, but now the thing is triggering up. Based on the what now time because now you commit to go Zion full time. Yeah, you are bringing it Zion direct now because you cannot say something against our papa, something like that. Someone doing a conspiracy like he made such plan, then the Zionites will just leave you. I don't think because it's an open thing. It has become open. Or just that we know our papa is always having that good heart. Some things you overlook. He know one thing about our papa. He will just overlook it and continue his grace work on our protection on him. That one. So my brother, the thing, this our brother practice so he brought since night. The thing was so hard. But but everybody just got to I want hear the way on we see here because all you go open. There's nothing to say again. Even more and woman I go tired now. You can say again because everything
my brother, let me be honest with you. When it was we came together and we decided to push for peace between two of them after so many people advised us to do so. He turned down the hand of peace and decided to twist it over. Look, let me tell you, whatever thing that came out of that peaceful move I make it, I will be the last person that will be online here and wait for him to twist it. He can never do that. He knows that when it comes to dismantling controversy, so he dare not try to cook up anything. When it comes to dismantling lies and propaganda, so now the point is that at this particular point, onye Dokamuso we hands off come and ebe or consign them just like this particular one or consign them because it was all of us who fought this particular voice note when it came out. So for him to come out and for all those people who Jpac don't drop evidence, I have now analyze the evidence they packet drop. You are seeing now that the evidence is pointing to him and doing what? Exonerating Ogechi. At least he has used that voice note to prove to people that Ogechi is loyal and the real to the Zion ministry. Because the voice note who played Ebo prove the man that Ogechi wanted to broadcast to people that he did not pay attention to that voice note. That's that he who the dogs want to destroy, they first make mad.
I even noticed when he was on call, Adam know when Bona say, my wife, mommy, please, mommy, just wait. You know, I believe that the woman, being a man wine for Vilugo wine. As a man, igana 88, igana no matter, igana take a direct decision. Igana love for your wife decision will be coming in. Seriously. Because I watch them, I want that woman, I say, wait, chere, and we have na phone. Because also I got the phone on live this thing. So I want to get the woman and just drop her phone here. And he wouldn't have continued on releasing that voice this thing before. Release the voice recording. I got a could that maybe gay, maybe the wife got to say, this is not a good thing for you to do. So, but a mistake, Omega the mistake.
Ndị ọwụna concord that thing send the area thinking that, look, let me tell you, the truth is that all these guys are trying to use the word illiterate because na I go how what I go, but I think using the
but
word
another thing chere ịgwa gị another thing wee mgbe ọbụla mmadụ na-eme ihe ị dị too careful in terms of things gbasara public ị ga-adị careful because ịma na iru dị iche obi dị iche and obi bụ the hardest thing na ndụ mmadụ that you self you can't even check it. Ndị gị na ha nọ maybe talking good but n'ime obi ha enwere ike obi ha na-awụ na Ogechi gbaka onye a ka o zuo ike biko, you know, that kind of a thing. Even people are different. People are different. And they're telling you, right on, you are doing well, you are doing good. But inside their heart, how they were happy, the bad thing in them mege. That's why the mouth is different from the heart. The mouth is different from the heart. So the thing out from here, no, in just is just need to calm down. No, try your way, Ogechi, try your card. The thing that they're mananti at all. And she just need to try many things to do.
Because then they say now the voice is cut and join. Even though now the voice is cut and join, yet he still exonerated Ogechi and indicted himself.
Because me personally,
brother, wait. Ichime cut and join. He may cut and join. No, we may on us. Yeah, if you cut and join, in support of you. Before you do cut and join, you have to do cut and join. You throw in the mother say, wow. He may cut and join. No, you have that indict. What is cut and join? Email there. Cut and join email diawo that na gbara ndị mmadụ na-send Ogechi voice note ebe kerafa ya Ebonyi son na plan evil against Ebuka Obi. Ogechi wee na-agwa the best way ISU will set up a program that will release that Ogbunigwe.
But for me, what I understand about
brother Jero, is that the cut and join email there? He made the cut and join or happy court to Ogechi admitted that no go send there or when I going to ISU made the thing. Ogechi even said that now he released in them not only say to share the thing we was in the model name with there somebody na plan no Igbo evangelist Ebuka Obi so and so thing, and you think you are smart. You are forgetting that video is also confirming to people that even in Ogechi but if you can actually send her the voice and the WhatsApp conversation of you and your friends, that shows that you actually told her more. That is number one. Number two, you lied to your friends that you were not the one who sent that voice note to Ogechi. You came yesterday night and admitted now that it was you who sent it to her. So what kind of a man are you? What kind of a man are you? I'm asking you.
Just for my own self, I just studied both the Ebonyi son, that conversation. I studied that one, Ogechi, respond there. For my own observation, I understand that now that first Ebonyi son is like something else and the mother. Want them see what is happening, you know, like see a leakage of information. Illeak information on what in Hageji, maybe it will, the favor will not come from this other side because this other side is more larger. Do you understand? Maybe they kept it. Maybe on that when that thing came, she was in a better position to do what's supposed to do. But her own response now, she responded to that message. It's not maybe a different conversation. In the form of one them the when I say okay, maybe get ready then he actually ime. And maybe I want more as in another time I say mother only all maybe I need no from this other side, you know. So in here will respond the thing the thing even though the investigating people actually may investigate, the thing can not join it together with that Ebonyi son of a conversation. The conversation join it together. I have one minute observe.
Or join her there together. Play voice note, Ebonyi son, and the response, Ogechi, When Yama send Jpac in that WhatsApp group. Jpac in the WhatsApp group ebe anowe pankata. If I WhatsApp group nde MCA1 monetize their account. So how we WhatsApp group. So according to the defense they were giving them Mbebo son and others, they said that naha sare kahana plano, naha discourse if ya hame kahatrendia. So that was when Ebo son said that in that WhatsApp group. Now it got to the time Oge Ebo son na Jpac Adrozima, and that time Jpac do good within the Zion Ogeshi and others. Now Oge Jpac we just put that voice note where to all you Ogeshi. Okay. Because that time Kebo son na Kotose in the Zion needed. So now being on a Kotose in the Zion to prove that if any now on a cooked up story. Jpac we will put a nko na WhatsApp group where to zeli Ogeshi. Since Ogechi can go see them mad. So Ogechi was now telling him that na I don't send the area OT the ten fly that now you need to go them mad. Now you need because people were torn in large numbers. Yeah, no somebody na plan equal na evangelize because be surely that mad. Then to see that voice note. And of it true, that was how that voice note was released.
Yes, it's true. My brother, the
only thing when it happened, the people on that WhatsApp group became furious. They started looking for who released that voice note. So being half on a Jpac and not together with the people on the WhatsApp group because they know that no Jpac none of that WhatsApp group not very closer to Ogeshi at that moment. So those people said and agreed that no Jpac when you release that voice note. Jpac did not.
How about sense? How many things you were?
It was not a small issue on Facebook then. No. Even Ijele came into that matter then. I joined Ijele's program because of this matter. Ijele joined my program because of this matter. So before on Facebook or if a channel before. So them bringing it now and all to show it to Jpac. If I imagine to your owner, he wanted now to confirm to his friends how much of a betrayer he can be. He now accepted what he denied before. He told them that he wasn't the one who released that voice note. Now he came yesterday and accepted that no because if only yesterday accepting the fact that no voice note but on a public domain. Are you getting me? Because by sending it to Ogechi and by Ogechi giving him that reply, what it shows is that it was Jpac who released that voice note. Now, if he can betray his friends, we will look information among his friends, supposedly the confidential. Release here to the public. Release here to somebody to the same Ogechi na Jpac he released it to the same Ogechi. What is now confirming to you that every other thing Ogechi na Jpac I'm asking you. But also that he cannot be discussing with a woman. Can you a woman on her back? What if he can?
Our fino yasi na enwe fido na ekwu yasi hafu nwoke ha akpa ha hụ nwaanyị ha ebu isi ya enwe fido na adị ekwu enwe fido ko egbe enwe okwu na adị ekwu ihe m na-ekwu in times of onye si na eleghị ya na nwaanyị ga-ekwu ahụ nwoke akpa ahụ nwaanyị ebu isi ya so the thing is just that
Gulu Ezigbo ama need another account I block I wash him ama need another account I wash him. I blocked you yesterday. You actually sent me a message on WhatsApp. You called me and I actually picked a call. I will block you again on WhatsApp. Okay, so you are welcome to Saga. Every other person at this matter, including you, Osaga Kenaba, you have made about 2 or 3 videos concerning this issue. Osaga Kenaba, you don't want me to say something because you know that I always have a way of dismantling your lies. So the highest person you want to remain silent in this is a Zugo. I cannot. Yes, I can.
My brother, Dick, that's a mad journey to I just man me here in office. Can we just step
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You know what I go? The highest person, the last person you people are expecting to talk in this manner, in this issue, who Ezugo, because you know I must have a way of confirming to people what actually happened. You know, I say you are welcome to Saga. Which Saga? Esonga you go in about Saga. You go in about Saga or Saga Kaina Matayas and Abasis. Only man Saga Kaina Matayas and Abba, who says I cannot say something when it has something to do with Zion ministry. Yeah? Did you not say that Zion is paying me? Is this not part of my duty if they are paying me? I am asking you. Or did you not hear them mention the name of Ebkobi in this one? If you say that na Zion minister Natana Umo under their payroll, did you not hear Evangelist Ebkobi's name being mentioned? No one can this person send the request did you not hear his name being mentioned in all these? Yeah? Mbamba block gunyan, ha block guns gulu. All the too manipulative and Adama like when you're too manipulative. You have the freedom to stand where you are standing. You don't have to cajole me into standing where you are standing all in the name of Leto Nutra. No. But we have never stand one place. Since you Matthias, when at this issue, na opposite direction, can happen. Ebia dolum bottom side ebe ekwu meme esem na nna agbasaga wanye na ngwa eti ọnụ na dị okwu ịghọtago. So I think na Jpac did not do well in that broadcast o mere ịghọtago. Jpac did not try well in that broadcast o mere ọ casting onwe too much. So ndị na-ekwu Jpac don't bring evidence ọ ka nwere evidence ọzọ ka this particular one anyị kwuru ka anyị chegasịa coins gụọ ego. I am asking, Jpac don't bring evidence. Let Ogechi bring evidence. Well, another evidence do different from this one. Now, for no broadcast on yesterday. Now, reputation of Golo. Reputation of Golo. That Ogechi is going to apologize to Bebioko. Ogechi is going to apologize to Akwa. Who is going to apologize to Ebuigwe? Who is going to apologize to Ebuigwe? And are we still talking about the same reputation here? Are we still talking about the same reputation of you who came on Facebook? Even me, the only thing I have responded personally, who you coming to tell them that Nezu gonna go, where shock and down that is what. Outside that, all the things I have called you, all the things I have directed to you based on if you go on, I haven't even gone personally to your life, but you are here now telling us I have never said anything about all the things they have gone against you. Nobody has ever heard me talk about Jpac and the Moke Jukowese. Nobody has ever heard me say Jpac and Defa Nuba Jukoweme. Nobody has ever heard me say Jpac and Seaman or Jpac and Dapa. Nobody has ever heard it from my mouth. I am always talking about what led to what is happening. Yes, I'm always talking about what led to what is happening. Only with a dana video, ebe from group, pasalo ifenina, and a kumaka Jpac, eben balago ezioku, eben bana Jpac ne meva, eben bana Jpac ne zuri. Go and show me that video. I have never said anything against his personality apart from responding to what he said about me. Also, you know, let's go when I go. Where's the camera? I'm okay, ma. What I go? I'm okay, ma. What I go? And that is it. But this is the caliber of a man who came to live broadcast yesterday and started saying all manner of things about Ebuigwe Okialo, about how Ebuigwe's wife will feel. The answer is no. Did he care about how Ebuigwe's wife will feel about everything? He never knew. Is Ebuigwe involved in this saga Hanaba? The answer is no. If you're gonna have Ashosagamma, if you're gonna have Ashosagamma, they know the game. So when Jpac, when Ogechi made mention of Akwokoko and all these people on our money in Apunenu, Sego, getting the concern or ha, if okay, may would or Colanya one, California, Jack, very selfish human being. Yeah, Kilife, we Melu, what did they do to you? As far as I heard, the 27 minutes is what you used to wash Ebuiwe. Jpac, if you think that all these big men are not believable, later you must be a joker. You must be a joker. You want to know what you are doing to yourself. Because then I said, my battery is going off and I cannot continue. I will be ending this program within a short time. That was how he went to Yam Baba podcast to expose everything about his ex. You see? But all when his ex na apagari ebe niile oluna na me agwagi na ma shohozie okwa igwa mmadụ na ịchọ he ono ile onwe but ọ gara na podcast Yam Baba no ebe ahụ. He can never make a video without making reference to his ex. Eto si akwụya 100,000 ogoze meiva mana the ex kwuzi okwu ọsịghị na ex ya na apagari everywhere jee na platform niile ebe oluna ọ na-akpọ ya afa. But you are doing the same. The mother na Kologaka, Jpac is a good man. Jpac is a good man. You will know that Nahaji, the remaining reputation in Welufalafo, Wala Ogechi saga. Now, have any of them managed to defeat Ogechi for 10 years or 15 years? The answer is no. What makes you think you can do so? I'm asking you a question. Ofuji Kogono Corona cancel if for over 10 years. They have never defeated Ogechi, even when they form Palace of Justice, consisting of more than how many people? Yet, Ogechi match all of them word to word, action to action. What makes you think there is anything you can do to Ogechi? That I guess they understand the but you did not understand what I said. Every single thing in it is no more a strange something. It is no more new. That is why we advised you to back out. We advised you to back out. We advised you after looking at it now. We advised you to back out. What Ofuji, Merabeha, and others are doing is trying to take advantage of your platform to start what they failed to finish with Ogechi. Now, whatever that happened between Merabe and Oge, Ofuji and Oge and others, is not supposed to be your business on a normal. It's not supposed to be your business, but you thought you could use it as an advantage. Is this the first time you are hearing it? In fact, when you're on an Ogechi with problem, you seem to be running to all these people, the same old people. When are we going to hear new things about Ogechi? When are we going to hear new things about Ogechi? Yeah? Are you getting me? When are we going to hear somebody say new things about Ogechi? It is the same old story. The same old story that they don't want her to have friends. They don't want her to have anybody who they perceive to be close to Oge. They will launch a missile. The same people get your mapulu and you think they can help you. Yeah? Why this thing? About instead of either add or not about this power bank. You know, side door now. Suppose they don't make a blouse over here. Yeah, about now. But I was supposed to not that you want to on about. Okay, so I'm gonna go to go. Instead of why about. You gotta go. Yeah? So run away, my brother. From the no, imagine going every high condition. If Ogechi one piece, who told you that no getting your piece? It was us who was being on Ogechi like this. Ogechi, stop picking my call. What she has never done before. Ogechi, stop picking my calls. Yes. Ogechi, how many times Ogechi picking my call? Ogechi picking my call. Look at it. Look at it. look at it ka ọ ghara ịdụ ka ya sị na mama ife m na-ekwu ife awụ oge ife awụ kedu ebe m na-esi wee gosi ya ife awụ oge abi na-eye miss call opikio then nke a wụrụ group call miss call opikio no answer another miss call wee drop a voice note oge echi kwụsị na onye kwụsị piki call Ogechi kwụsị piki call m Ogechi kwụsị piki call m because of onye a debela ahụ na-anaye onye gwara na-anaye ọgụnụ. This is somebody who feels the need to maintain peace between Gu na Ogechi. Onye a decide to even invest his time ahụ na-ayọ onye na-ayọ Ogechi do ready to go straight 1 year with you. In case you don't know, go and ask people. How I wish you if I'm how I wish name no informer can embellish. They can accept to deny you of man for bringing out our time. I called in on broadcast to Ogechi. Now Ogechi Biko. Kefa Pose Ogechi name live broadcast. If you can remember, before about that program yesterday, Jpac, Ogechi by live broadcast, Ogechi answered a call of somebody who instructed her to end that broadcast. Ogechi ended that broadcast. If you could remember, only guest on that broadcast, somebody called her and instructed her to end that broadcast immediately. Ogechi ended the broadcast. Somebody put out if Ogechi wants peace. Who told you that Ogechi wants peace? Who told you? That Ogechi it was us who no Ogechi na Oge kefa and their biko Oge kefa and their maybe obviously your friends are that advising because those people who not see around you, they are not your friends. They are the people who wants to use you to fight or go, that they have failed. Look, let me tell you, you should be wise. All the people that has fought Ogechi or that has fought with Ogechi in the past, I refuse to associate myself with them. Whether those people who are in support or against, I refuse to associate myself with them simply because I wasn't there. I don't know what was the issue between all of them. So what is my business? Why should they come back now to come and drag me into? Was I a member of Palace of Justice? I wasn't a member of Palace of Justice. I didn't know when all these things were happening. So now they want to come and drag me into a mess. I don't know. I won't do that. Even I will still not allow Kinsley to come into my program. I will still, when I allowed Mirabel to come into my program, I allowed Mirabel as a neutral person. I never knew that she was coming in to use my platform to talk about Okunya and Ogechi. And after that day, I stopped doing that. Yes, I never allowed her to join my platform again because Ogechi has never come to my platform to come and when Oge started joining my platform, Oge joined our platform on a based on matter not on the ground, except to know the issue and related to if I Omega said before. That is the only time she can talk about it. But she has not really come to my platform specifically to come and talk about Ofuji, to come and talk about Mirabel, to come and talk about who. Have you ever heard it? Except to know that time. Except to know that time related to Ifa, then she can make reference to it. Now I told them again. I told Mirabel in the conversation or engaged him then. I told Mirabel again. Okay, that is living and that's scared of. Okay, Patrick is here. Okay, they don't want to talk joke. As it we yeah wait. Okay, Patrick, you go. They will hear me. And I told them again, okay, she joined my program. Mirabel and the Ofujin and Dotwe. You people came on me for Ogechi joining my program. But when Mirabel joined my program, Ogechi never said anything. Ogechi did not call me to tell me, no, why did you allow that guy or Batana your program? Why did you make this one or Batana your program? All of them that have joined my program indirectly, I don't know them. Ogechi has never confronted me about anybody. Doesn't it show that that lady is actually more wise than most of you? I am asking you. You wanna go? So does that not show that no one can show you whether no way whether no the different mother baby? You wanna go? Then I am asking you, Keri phone kajine me on for platform or the ball or na balobia happen no ya ka umukupo so putaro no na ono na no bakwa. Okay, here to how draw difficult. Yana another person do lutra unu na mapata bia recruit one. I know about all that. And that is what Jpac has decided to do. These people are fighting Ogechi for a different thing, not because of what happened. So don't think that they will be in any way helping you. Let them keep warning me. I'm a child. I want to be careful of Ogechi. I want that I'm home if a good Jpac na show no ya class. Onye yiri kere onye yiri ke yiri ngunde na ese oto ha na Facebook. I want to ask you on the yiri ngunde na ese oto ha eti na Facebook. So I want to know exactly I should be careful of Oge. Tell me where I should be careful with her. Exactly. Let me know. Happen to the woman. Okay. Paluka Energy, you have come back again with your another account. Eka Washiwa Guru. Paluka Energy. Eka Washiwa. Ike was in na account. I Washiwa. But he could open full. So I block one and go. You gotta go. I block one and go. You gotta go. It's that Basaga. It's that Basaga. But he puts the ike. Never Jpac. So blocked immediately. Blocked. You gotta know. So happen mother aka irrespect mother na ekwale mother odulunu difficult. Happen Ogechi onu na-ekwu na Ogechi iri isiri ọtọ mmadụ. Mana ụnụ anọrugo na Facebook brand Ogechi akwụ na Chicago is it not 00 ndị oririzi akwa ha okay Umeshinyaka, you can call me na only number and end this program. You gotta go. You can call me when I'm done with this program. We don't number na my page. You gotta go. Ono na say na nda who is it auto ha. Can you imagine what their families will be going through? Now I ask you, Ngoma sere no Ogechi wa na Chicago. Have you ever imagined what her husband will be going through? Have you ever imagined what her husband's family will be going through? So you people should stop this. It is 1-1. If it is 0-0, it is 0-0. If it is 1-1, it is 1-1. So stop making your own to look like it is more. No, the answer is no. If you people don't want to come with the terms that Ogechi have to go to move forward, you people should allow her to live her life. Unochorokwe batakwa 2024 na achọkwa ịchọrọ ya ba 2025 onweda na onye n'ime ụlọ Ogechi bịa chọrọ okwu ọzọ since then. Have you ever heard about Ogechi talking about Mirabel? If not Mirabel, making reference to Ogechi. Have you ever talked about all those people? Some of the people Nyana Wasaga then, Nyana Duzichana, Donamwa today. Some of you Kakiri Nante, no na embrace not a peace. Rather, ono na pugari na chosu no ya de recruit, ono na recruit. I don't too big for you people to recruit me. I don't even want to care about what happened then. It's so maybe it's on Facebook then. So why will I go back and forth? Let's talk about what is happening today, which is going to now Jpac drop on a voice note indictable way. That is the talk of the moment. Yes, this he clearly did not see that this may be punishment so that he can run away from it. How can you bring out a voice note that indicts you? How can you bring out a voice note that confirms that everything was you? And some people are not seeing it the way I am seeing it. Some people are not. If you can send a voice note, do as sensitive as that, betray your friends, send the Ogechi who says you cannot tell her all the things on about people. And what makes you think that those people are not taking note? I have tried to advise you. I have tried to do the path of peace. I have tried to do everything. But it seems like non tishiri because na okuko na abia mkpotu ji abia na ebu ibu sa amoro mi fo pana na eba ha eme o we bia buria e chori Igbo Ogechi saga e chori Igbo Ogechi saga je juo ndị ha na Ogechi gbagoro saga 10 years ago. All those people na abia na page go abia eme na ha bia help. Did they manage to deal with okay? I am asking you. Ogechi mepe page today before 1 week or before 2 weeks page ya appear 40-something thousand followers. She may not be on Facebook eating Facebook money with you people because someone with a good paying job on her and she's not complaining. She's not complaining. Oh no, the come on. If you will Facebook monetization where you may go. So man, I'm going to watch Facebook in allow business, you know, it will na bet a happy business, you know. And I bet choco. You got you go to Albert and we read my blog on and watch it. And now we read you. What they call you, see, will yeah, so can you this guy anywhere? Not only put this thing. This guy, you mission. The worst part is that even the who was man, I'm making good on. Make good on. Ndao in a team up. He will Ogechi saga. It you go when since in that Ogechi maybe when if how many years have they been able to do anything to her? The answer is no. What makes you think that you can bring out every single thing you have to come and fight Ogechi? And I say na nwaanyị mere nka na nwaanyị ihe eme nka but if nwaanyị wodi iwu a confidential information do na WhatsApp group ebi belong nye nwaanyị mana ị na-asị that you cannot descend solo to beg a woman. Okay. I only came out to debunk the lies only because when this thing came out I was involved then. Eso Nande so we exposed this voice note. Yes, also Monday so we random mado. How wicked this voice note do. It was a wicked thing. What it clearly showed is that now every single thing I knew about Evangelist Gobi by content creators, we are all planned in a WhatsApp group. They plan it, they come out, somebody post where other people will keep reposting it, it will be trending at that particular time and they will be cashing their money. That was the game Anaba. You know that was the game Anaba. And though if I had a replay by Jpac saying that Nande Zion na Oyobo or Nande Zion Waha contractor here, Ome Kelafaye, Onyobodo, Bonison, Chisomama, and all those people. Oje, if you Merifa Unoje, the white switch can that way Mapota. A what I go. We would even know Mambaka. We would we bundoka. Ndoka ubuli unde Zion mata mano yana ndoka wife no yotago monne go tari fen negu owe potaze bia meye nka we backfire nke a wee backfire, nke a wee kụọ, nke a wee koo ihe wee ghara agba enyi. So for ndị otu unu na-ekwu kere ife ọkwanya na Jpac dị, ọkwanya na Ogechi na-ekwu kere ife ọ na-akpọrọ bebi ọkụ, ọkwanya na Ogechi na-ekwu kere ife ọ na-akpọrọ ebe igwe, ọkwanya na Ogechi na-ekwu ọkwanya na Ogechi na-ekwu kere ife ọ na George Obi. Let me tell you something you don't know. That voice note, Jpac sent that voice note to Ogechi direct. In case if you don't know, yes, Jpac sent that voice note direct to Ogechi. It wasn't Accusation who sent that voice note to Jpac. Let him say the truth. Jpac sent that voice note to Ogechi. Ogechi Nyeriaka will send the area Accusation. So stop saying what you don't know. Stop saying what you don't know. Accusation did not release any voice note to Ogechi. Rather, Jpac sent that voice note direct to Ogechi. Yes, if you don't know. So the fact is that no one is sure Jpac in Egypt. Instead of Obito to first, where did the name Audio Billionaire come out from? He started fighting until he got to the point he ban on now. He go explain tire, no evidence. And the mobile gay can happy kuku, Kagare no mukuru, Kagari kuku, Kagape no mukuru. The other go, Gato, I will still come out and debunk it. The other go, I think I'm happy about Peter. Phone na anyuanyu. You ought to go, my battery na anyuanyu. So